Hey y'all, Funny Bone here. And I was just looking, and Donald Trump just lost his case for fraud to New York. So the judge is dissolving his businesses at Trump Tower and some of the rest of the place. So Donald Trump, and he's going to be ordered to pay $250 million in fines and penalties. Y'all remember I told y'all a couple of videos ago? Donald Trump ain't gonna have no money by the time this is over with. He ain't have no money. He didn't have that much money to begin with. He lied and said he was worth $2 billion. He's not worth half of that. And they're gonna take all of his money. I told y'all, they're gonna take all of his money. Donald Trump will have nothing. By the time all these trials are done with, Donald Trump won't have a dime. But of course, he won't need a dime where he's going. He ain't gonna need no money because his daughter said she ain't put no money on his books. And the way I'm looking at it, none of his heirs will be able to do business in New York again either. His two sons, probably his daughter, none of them are going to be able to do business anywhere. Because part of that is they owe the banks for lying, talking about how much money their property is worth. 3 times as much as is really worth. So you in trouble bad. Remember I told y'all before, all the stuff he's done before, he didn't do it bad enough to where he's got to be accountable, because he won't never say he's accountable for nothing that's done wrong. He's still saying, I haven't done anything wrong. No, what you should be saying, I haven't done anything right. That's what you should be saying. Because the people that's convicting you and overseeing you, like the judges and stuff, they got a different opinion. If you ain't did nothing wrong, why you got to pay $250 million? Why you hit with fraud? Fraud is doing something wrong. Last time I checked, fraud is illegal. Last time I checked. So you get up there talking about you ain't did nothing? No, you ain't did nothing but anger these folks and made these folks wanting to get you even worse. They've been investigating this for 10 years. 10. Ever since Donald Trump organized his organization, he did it with fraud because he didn't have that much money and all that stuff as he claimed. His houses wasn't as big as he claimed. Did he ever think that he was going to keep getting away with that? He did. Because rich people think they can do anything they want. Some of them do. Not all rich people are the same. It's some good rich people. But it's also some bad ones. Because money don't do nothing but make whatever personality you have worse. That's all it does. Whatever your personality is, you're going to be rich behind it. You're going to be a rich asshole. You're going to be a rich fool. You're going to be a rich dummy. Or you're going to be a good person and rich. Those are the choices Donald Trump made. Y'all see what choice he made, don't you? And it's coming back to bite him. Money-wise, and it's going to bite him with his freedom. Because Arizona is next. I want this Pennsylvania, New Mexico, and all the rest of them folks. They're trying to get in line too. I wonder who's going to be next, because every state that he done it in, he's going to have to pay for it. And whatever state officials helped him in that state, they're going to be paying too. It's amazing how many people he had on board to try to assist him to do that. It's amazing. But you'll find if it's 2 lines, one line for people to do stuff right, the right way all the time, and some people get in the other line to do stuff the wrong way all the time. We already see what side Donald Trump chose. and he's paying. But he's just starting to pay. He ain't even paid yet. He just started. I don't like to see misery in other people, but if it's self-inflicted and illegal, it couldn't have happened to a nicer guy. Because if it was a real Democrat doing all this, they would have been there hung him. He'd have been in jail. So we'll see how this unfolds, because definitely I'm going to be watching. I'm going to be watching. Because I just don't like what he tried to do to us, the American people. People that voted honestly. And you're going to try to take that away from them. I'm telling y'all, before this all said and done, we probably get the scoop on all the stuff Donald Trump has done. But it's so much. But all of it's going to come out with these trials. I'm telling y'all, all this stuff going to come out because, like I said, when you flip and they ask you questions, they ask you everything. Everything. And whatever time it is that you said that, that's going to be documented. What time you said it, what you said, what time, and everything. So, Mr. Trump, I say it again. I hope you're ready. Because it's about to go down. It's already starting to go down. It ain't started yet, but it's about to go down. When those trials start, I think you're going to be in there looking like O.J. Simpson did when the trial first started, looking like you were high as a kite. Because O.J. looked like he was high as a kite. And Donald Trump probably going to be like that because that stress level going to be so high, he ain't going to know what to do. He ain't going to know what to do. Stress will kill you. This right here, when it all said and done, and Donald Trump get convicted on a lot of those indictments, which he is, and the sentencing part comes down, I'm going to be right there to listen. Because I know it's going to be massive. I know this country. It's going to be massive. So, all the rest of them be trying to get their trials moved to federal because they don't want to go to a state prison. They rather go to a federal prison than a state prison. It's more safer and everything, more cleaner, everything. Because they let you know they're going to prison. They know they're going. But you can't dictate what prison you're going to. You can't dictate whether it's going to be federal or state. You don't dictate that. You did that in that state. So that's going to be a state case. Talking about you a former federal employee. So what? So what? That does not matter. You done it in that state. And you tried to overthrow a state election. Idiot. So you don't have no grounds to dictate what kind of trial you having, state or federal. You don't get to dictate that. I think what's wrong with some of them folks in Trump organization, they're just like him. They think they're privileged. They think they can get what they want, do what they want, without no repercussions. That's why they got these indictments. They didn't think there would be no repercussions. So, I'm here to tell you it is. I don't have to tell you. You see it already. So, and all y'all who really ain't got no money, and Donald Trump know he got y'all by the barrel because y'all ain't got no money. But the sad part about it is, he ain't going to have none either. He's not going to have none either. And I told y'all long videos ago, bologna sandwich is going to be his main menu for years to come. And it's just going to be dry bread and that piece of bologna they give you. So, it couldn't have happened to a nicer guy. Just sitting here looking at that. But I will be on later on tonight. I will be on my podcast. So y'all stay tuned, me and Mario. Y'all stay tuned. And it'll be hilarious, but we will still give y'all news, sports, and all that stuff. We gonna talk about a variety of things. So y'all just stay tuned. Funny Bone here. Funny Bone loves y'all. Please hit that like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about this topic. And we can talk about it together. I'm going to go live soon. And all y'all that's looking, is watching, y'all have y'all chance to ask me any questions. Give me y'all thoughts, everything. Because I'm here for y'all. So, holler at me. Don't just watch it. Comment. Hit the thumbs up button. Hit the notification bell and hit all content. So you won't miss nothing. I don't want you to miss nothing. I want to be able to talk to you every day. If I have to go live and talk to y'all, I'll do it. That's what I'm doing anyway. So reach out to me. I'm going to be on live tonight. I think I'm going to go live tonight. So y'all tune in tonight. Probably about 8 o'clock. Tune in and we'll be on. Funny Bone out. Peace.